Good morning, guys. So today's project, we are going to be trying to install a Blackhorse Offroad single tube hollow bumper bully, a bumper guard. We are going to do a quick unboxing of it, like so. Again, I'm one of those Siennas that you see around the city with all this type of protection because based on the whole minivan design, the bumper does not protrude out. So if there's any type of contact, I guess, with other parallel parkers, depending on the height of the vehicle as well, for the most part, even sedans, you could go ahead and damage the hatch. And we don't want to do that. We don't want to damage any of the sensors, the backup sensors, the sonars. So that is the main reason why I started taking a look at this. So I contacted Blackhorse. For the most part, I think they get all their supplies from China, and there was supposedly a long wait list for this particular item because it's newer. It's in a wrinkled black finish, so it kind of matches with the whole color scheme of the XSE. Part number, I'll leave the part number, but it's a URPB1. And here it is. You guys could check it out, like so. So it's gonna be sticking on like that. According to the advertisement or the website, it won't interfere with backup sensors. So let's hope that's true. I'll give you guys a closer look. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is it unboxed. Quality wise, it has like a steel frame here. It's hollow. It's in a wrinkled black finish. And let's see. Let's check out the underside of it. All right. It's gonna go under all this. As you can see, I try to put in this 3M. You can't really see it actually. It blends in really well in case someone hit us while we were parking before the bumper guard arrived. But there you go. All right, and we'll see how it installs from here. That comes with brackets and all that and whatnot, bolts, etc. We are going to be attempting it DIY style. And let's see. All right, so right under here, I'm gonna try to give you guys a look. Based on my knowledge, there are a few brackets here that's gonna be installed. I believe, like, I'm not even sure where, right? But we'll take a look under. And there's a few OEM bolts to remove. There's tailpipes right here. So getting you guys a better look, it's gonna go under. One bracket here, and then the other bracket on the other side. And then the bracket's gonna install, protrude out, and then grab onto this bar and secure it. So hopefully it doesn't mess with the sensors here. I think there's 4 throughout. All right, so here is a quick unboxing of the brackets. This is Blackhorse product number T7, double layer rear bumper bar. All these brackets are supplied. And here you go. All right, so it comes with instructions right here. Comes with instructions with kind of like a 3D model scan of the under side of the Sienna. And it comes with multiple brackets, all finished in black. Again, brackets for T7, product sourced from China. All right. And 2 of these brackets, some bolts, and we're really gonna try to do this ourselves and see how it goes. But for the most part, it's a pretty simple package. And here is the product number, UPRB1, Universal Purely Single Tube from Blackhorse. So you guys want to maybe do this. They have a double layer. They have a double layer design, but I went for the single layer to kind of keep the weight down. Right, it's hollow, so it shouldn't affect the fuel economy as much, but it's definitely going to. You know what I mean? You're dragging extra weight around the vehicle. Right, but here it is, just initial unboxing. All right, so here is a T7 bracket. We're gonna go underneath the car, right? And the document or the instructions say that this area right here has original bolts, but only comes with this type of plastic cover. As you can see from here, like that. So it only comes with a plastic cover. So I think I might be needing an additional bolt, because the instructions did say it comes with an additional, like a OEM factory bolt, but it doesn't. But this T7 bracket definitely goes ahead and fits over like such. So, however, right on the other side, the load floor is pretty flat. So I don't know how the bracket's gonna fit on the driver's side, but here it is, like that. Now for the driver's side, it's a completely different story. Now in order for this bracket to fit, you can't really do anything because there's so much plastic covering or protecting the underbody. In order to do that, excuse a little cement here, but I think you have to remove this whole section to access the two bolts in there underneath. So this part, I'm not quite sure if it's for protection. There's a couple cables here. Is it for aerodynamics? Not sure, but in order to install the Blackhorse, we might have to remove this. I don't think it's going to be a problem, but I don't want this to be exposed for the most part, but that might be something we have to do. So I'm gonna call the project for today. I'm just gonna call it for today and maybe think about it. But a couple of bolts here. I think there's one here. There's one here. There's a couple of Phillips screws and bolts. Screws around here to hold the mud flaps. So we'll see.